Welcome back. We are going to start a live example with ChatGPT. What we're going to do is we're going to first ask ChatGPT inside of ChatGPT Canvas to write about ChatGPT. We're going to start the process with a single shot prompt, and we're going to click enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to do the writing inside of ChatGPT Canvas. It's a good idea now if you were to take your document and save it. However, what we're going to do is we're going to continue the process. Now that we have our document, we can continue the process of turning the document into an information product. We can look at various elements of ChatGPT's explanation. For example, if when we're writing, we want to know what ChatGPT means here, we can click on Ask ChatGPT, and we can click Explain, and we can then click Enter. We can see on the left side the explanation. We can use this as an opportunity to ask more questions. For example, we can ask ChatGPT about specifics in terms of content. Now that we click enter, and we're going to see the answer to our question here in this area. Now, because we don't have ChatGPT's search enabled, one of the things you'll notice is that the plan that is specified inside of the document is not fully accurate. It just so happens that we know what the plan is about, and so we can go and we can correct the chatbot. But you do want to be aware, if you are using ChatGPT Canvas as with the recording of this video, that it's not using the web to reduce hallucinations. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.